Hello, welcome in part 2 of important takeaways from this book. And yeah, I am discussing right now lesson 1. Okay, so the first one is use your emotion to think, not to think with your emotion. Okay, and this is very deep. Okay, because I think we all think with our emotion, right? We not use our emotion to think. बहुत गहरी बात हो गई। ओके, मैं इसे एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ। इसमें लिखा हुआ है कि द वर्ड इमोशन स्टैंड्स फॉर एनर्जी इन मोशन. Be truthful about your emotions and use your mind and emotions in your favor, not against yourself. And I think most of us अपने अगेंस्ट ही अपने इमोशन को हम यूज़ करते हैं, एंड दैट्स वाई वी एंडेड अप मिसिंग एवरीथिंग, राइट. सेकेंड, टू माइंड्स आर बेटर देन वन. सो अगर तुम्हें कोई पार्टनर या कोई फ्रेंड ऐसा मिलता है जिससे तुम्हारा माइंडसेट मैच कर रहा है, तो इट्स बेटर टू स्टे एंड कनेक्टेड विद दैम, और फिर तुम उनसे डिस्कस करो, ओके, साथ में ग्रो करो, बिकॉज टू माइंड्स आर बेटर देन वन. And I really admire this. But okay, third one, stop blaming others and thinking that they are the problem. If you think they are the problem, then you have to change them, correct? But if you realize that you are the problem, it means I am the problem, and you can change yourself, learn something and grow wiser. So if there is something you don't like, then you have to think you can do what is in your control. Okay, you don't think this way, okay, um, I have to change others. No, उनको change करना आपकी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है. Okay, it's not your responsibility to change them. Instead think, um, what is, what is the thing that because of that you feel little weird, awkward. So try to change that thing in yourself, and you grow wiser and learn something new, because it's always you. Got it? The fourth one is, when it comes to money, most people want to play it safe and feel secure. So passion does not direct them, fear does. Correct. I can relate it, because yeah, sometimes we once, okay, I want to feel secure. Why we should take risk? Because if we do something out of league, we need to take risk, and we don't want to do it. That's why a lot of people, I mean 99% of people are stuck in this trap, and they say like, मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ लाइफ में, उठ रहा हूँ, खा रहा हूँ, जा रहा हूँ, वही काम रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. तो उसको चेंज करो, तो शायद तुम्हारा ये रिपीटेशन जो साइकिल चल रहा है वो ख़त्म हो जाए. इट्स ऑलवेज इट स्टार्ट्स विथ यू. ओके, सो ओके, फियर से ऑपरेट करना बंद करो. दिस इज द लेसन 4. पॉइंट नंबर 5, it's fear that keeps most people working at a job. The fear of not paying their bills, the fear of being fired, the fear of not having enough money, and the fear of starting over. That's the price of studying to learn a profession or trade and then working for money. Most people become a slave to money and then gets angry at their boss. And sixth one, most people do not know that it's their emotion that are doing the thinking. Because you think with your emotion. And chapter 1 इस book का finish होता है. इतने ही learnings थी, ठीक है, और बाकी ज़्यादा कुछ खास नहीं है, और बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, ठीक है. अगर तुम चाहते हो कि मैं क्वेश्चंस भी डाल दूँ, ठीक है, मैं डाल ही दूँगी, ठीक है. मैं अभी यहाँ पे स्क्रीन लगा दूँगी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस का, ठीक है. तुम्हें उसे आंसर करना है. ओके, इफ़ यू वांट देन यू कैन, इफ़ यू डोंट वांट देन स्किप करो, बस. और क्या. बाय, हैव अ गुड डे.